Hello beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review and install of these Outtray 22-inch wavy clip-ins. But before we do that, my name is Tori Chantel. I am a licensed cosmetologist, and here on this channel I do hair reviews, press-on nails, and makeup looks. So if you like those things, don't forget to hit the subscription button as well as hit the notification bells. That way you are notified every time that I upload. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so I have the clip-ins right here. They have 7 pieces. 1, 2 of these. And then I have one 4-piece clip. Comes like that. I just folded it in half for storage. And then we also have 2 3 clips like these, and then I also have 2 more 2 clips. They come like this. Now this is in the shade 2, or number 2 as I should say, so they don't quite blend color wise. As you can see, they're a little bit lighter than my hair, but we're gonna fix that. I'm going to use the semi-permanent Jet Black by Kiss, because I wouldn't want to use permanent hair color on these. I think it would completely damage them. So I'm gonna color these and then dry them, and then we will install. Okay, now I'm back. I forgot to mention before I started that these are 22-inch wavy. Okay, so now I have dyed them jet black. Okay, I just left it on for like 15-20 minutes honestly, and then blow dried it, but this is the result. So now let's go ahead and get into our install. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to coat my end with a little bit of the NYX Stinson hydrating oil, just to get rid of these little frizzies right here, because really it is kind of time for me to shampoo my hair, but I wanted to make these videos, so that's why I waited. Okay, I am vibing with I think I'm gonna do a side part, because I'm also going to use my waver. Oops. I'm also going to use my waver today. We're going to go for mermaid vibes today, okay? So like I said, we are going to and I'm actually doing this through the phone. I don't have a small little mirror, but that's okay. Okay, what in the world? See, this is why I need to just use my mirror real quick. Okay, so there are only 7 pieces, right? And I am going to lay out my pieces first, okay? Now real quick, there's a difference between these 2 clips and these 2 clips. They're wider, so these are going to go in the back. These 2, because they're closer together, these are going to be your side pieces. So I got my comb. You need like 2 clippies. They don't have to be perfect, okay? Actually, the more imperfect it like your partings are, actually the better. So I'm going to turn around, and I just feel, okay, I'm going to take my pieces, right, unclip, going to line it up, push in, clip, push in, clip. Taking my next section, a little bit above that. I'm going to do the same thing, because nobody cares about the bottom. So I'm going to unclip. Same thing. I'm going to feel, and I'm going to clip, push down, and clip. Okay? So far, we got this. Like I said, nobody cares about this up under here. And by the time we add everything, you won't even be able to see it. Now next, I do my 2 3 clips. these bad boys right here, I place them here. I'm leaving a little bit of hair out right here, just so I have something to cover it by my ear. But I'm gonna section right here, and I'm just gonna go all the way around. And I'm leaving out my hair right here, so I have something to cover. Okay, then I'm going to start from my little side right here. Clip this in, down, leaving that part out as to cover. And then this one is going to stop in the middle, right here. And then I'm going to put my other one here, and they're going to meet in the middle. Same thing. Back up a little bit. Leave some edges out. I'll put that one there. Good. And then these, they kind of overlap one another a little bit. And then I clip like that. I've got my meatiest piece. This one's gonna give me my volume. I'm gonna put that here, and then I'll have my two leftover clips to fill in my part. Make like a U shape to be able to fill in this 4-piece. These I clip the 2 middle pieces first, and then I clip in the side. Like that. Okay, so now I have my 2 side pieces left. So I could play this one of 2 ways, okay? I could place one more right here, and then I could place the 2 of them here. If I wanted to, I could just add one more right here, or even right here on this side, just to blend this, and then find me a little piece just to kind of do it right there. Because I know I'm going for a side part and I'm going to crimp these, and the whole point of this style is going to be to tuck behind the ear and add a cute clip, I'm going to use the 2 of these to fill in this side. So I'm going to add one right here. I'm going to add the last one, so I don't need much hair to cover it. I'm going to add this one right here. Boom. Okay. And I just have my hair that's right here. And comb that down. And then okay, so here we are with our install, right? And like I said, we are going to add waves to the hair. But first, we are going to blend, because I do have short hair, and of course these don't have layers in them. So we need to add a little bit of heat to this root, my little edges right here. So I'm going to use my Paul Mitchell Neuro Flat Iron. I also have my Eben 24-hour edge. This one's in the kiwi pineapple. Oh my god. It smells so good. I'm going to just press the top, these little top pieces here, a little bit of this little side action here. I'm not going to worry too much about what's up under there because nobody's going to see it. Just more so worried about the leave out that's left really up top. Okay, look at us, we cute, we cute. I'll be back. Okay, so this is what we're looking like blended. Cute little press. Now You can curl this. I've curled it before. It doesn't really hold the best curl, but I am going to curl it. I mean, not curl it. I am going to crimp this with my mermaid waver, okay, real quick, and then I will be back with my final thoughts and we'll wrap up this video. Okay, so this is the final look with the waver that I used right here. I also went in with a little bit of texture spray as well as a light hold hairspray. That way this will stay as I, go outside and travel and do what all I need to do. Now let's go ahead and get into my final thoughts about these clip-ins. So I ended up paying $100 when I bought them from the beauty supply store. This was the last pack they had. That's why I ended up just getting the 2 because I figured I would just color them myself anyway. I bought these back in February. Do I wear them a lot? Kind of. Just when I want to do this little piece is bothering me, just when I want to do like, a little something that requires length. I will tell you that the clips are not very sturdy. So if you're going to be somebody that wears them like a lot, be mindful of that. They are going to start to wiggle pretty soon. Do they hold a curl? They do hold this wave really well because they're naturally already, they're naturally already wavy. So there's that. When it comes to actual like curling iron, do they hold a curl? Not really. I've tried it multiple times. It doesn't really do too well. It's either going to be wavy or it does kind of do well when I do straighten them. So keep that in mind. I'm trying to think, what else do I need? Honestly, if this is like your first time getting clip-ins, I would say you do better getting something off Amazon. I also do have vendors in my vendor list. That'll be down in the description box below where you can purchase better quality clip-ins. I would do that. Also, I will say that if you decide to buy these specific ones or really any set of clip-ins and you like a lot of volume to your hair, buy 2 packs, because had I not started pretty much halfway up my head, then I wouldn't have been able to fill as much. If I had 2 packs of clip-ins, that wouldn't really be a problem. So, if you have finer hair, or not even finer hair, but if your hair's on like the thin side, you can slide with 1 pack. My hair is on the finer side, so yes, I can slide with 1 pack. But my thicker hair girlies, I definitely, for sure, would say buy 2 packs. But like I said, for that money, you can get something else from even my vendor or even off Amazon. That would be more like price efficient. So keep that in mind. Overall, I'd say I'd give these like a 5.5 out of 10. Like, they're not terrible, they're not absolute trash. They do brush out really easily. They do shampoo really well. They don't take too long to dry. It's just they don't really hold a curl as well. And if you're somebody like me that likes to wear versatile styles, some days I'll do a wave, some days I'll wear straight, some days I'll wear a curl. The curl aspect of it, it's gonna be a no-go. So just keep that in mind. But I mean, I appreciate them for what they are. They get me by, if I just want to do a little something. I still do think that, a lot of us do sleep on clip-ins, but not me. But that's all that I have for this video. Like I said, my link to my vendor list will be down in the description box below. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, just put them down in the comments and I will answer them as best as I can. That's all that I really have for this video. I appreciate y'all coming by and hanging out with me for this review and install. Don't forget to hit that subscription button as well as the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time that I upload. And I love you so much for tuning in. Bye.